What's up, guys? Dímelo mi gente. Welcome back, my people. It's your boy Joe with the Clean Marine Power Washing. And I got a good video for you today. Today we're going to be reviewing the NorthStar ATV tree sprayer. Now in a later video we're going to test this. We're going to put it all to the test. I'm going to show you guys the good, the bad, the ugly. But I've heard very good things about this machine. This is what it looks like before we assemble it. Right, the pump, the tank, and the hose. We're going to do some modifications as well. I'm going to put a 100-foot hose. Here you got your hose. Now it's not cut the size. This gun right here is what comes with it. Now this is for spraying trees, right? We're using this for power washing, so we're going to have to modify a power washing gun. But yeah, you get all this braided line hose here. You get all these parts here. You even get a pressure thing here, which is very important. This is for your battery terminal, which is cool because you gotta have a 12-volt deep cycle battery. This thing comes with an on and off switch that you just gotta put it on, off, and it works seamlessly. This part right here literally just plugs here, and this goes into your battery. Very easy. So we're gonna start right here. So as I'm doing this, I want to welcome to the channel. I'm a brand new company right here on Long Island, New York. Like I said, listen, I want to start a community. As I get going, I want you guys to follow me on this journey. Any questions, anything I can answer for you, ask me in the comments. I want to be an open book for you guys. This is it, guys. This will make you money. I'm hearing very good things about it. This is 26 gallon. So, you know, for you guys that are starting out, you use this to the batch mix, right? So you're gonna get your bleach, your sodium hypochlorite, right? And then you're gonna get your water and a little bit of surfactant, right? Now I'm using Eliminator. That stuff is great, okay? That's my surfactant to wash houses. But this is 26 gallon. So if you wanna do a 50-50 mix in here, again, what is that? 13 and 13 gallons, right? Now you don't have to do that. A house wash should be about 10 gallon batch mix, 5 gallons bleach, 5 gallon water. But the good thing is if you're doing a roof, driveway, whatever, you got plenty of water and space. Alright guys, we're back. It's about a week later, so take your pressure thing. All right. So already get the plumber tape on it. We're gonna put it right here. Right about there is perfect. Okay, next. Your device comes with 2 tubes. One thick one, one small one. Okay? So the small one, this is plastic thing here, right? We're gonna take this off. Okay? Now don't lose that gasket right there. Okay. So put the barb in here. Okay. Take this piece. We're gonna feed it from the other end. Okay. All the way down. Take this. Put it here. Now, you don't have to do this. I'm gonna put some plumber's tape on this. This stuff will stop leaks. Okay. Get your hose clamp. So you want to screw this in here. Tight. So in the last video I was wrong. This is not an on and off switch. What this does is when you turn it on, right? It mixes your solution. So you put your sodium hypochlorite, your soap, and your water. Instead of you putting a dipstick in there and mixing it, that'll just mix it for you. It'll cycle it. Okay? Alright, so now that part's in. Make sure that's tight. Remember, all your hoses need to be tight. Alright? I'm going to put the hose clamp on this end here. And I'm going to curve it, and then you have this piece here that sticks out, okay? This is the cycle. So we'll put this on here. We'll take our hose clamp. These are a little stiff, so got the gun out. Okay, use the drill. Get it just tight enough, and I'm gonna hand tighten it the rest. Remember, leaks are not your friend here. What we're gonna do, take your 2 hose clamps. Put one on one side, one on the other, okay? And just like this one, put one on this side, I'm gonna put the other one on this side. So that should be good. Alright, now we're gonna clamp them down. The hose clamp. Okay. Again, now we're gonna hand tighten the rest just to make sure. I just broke my screwdriver. That's what you get when you buy cheap tools. And you have a clamp on right here. Okay. Alright, hoses are secure. Again, if you look at it, remember, big hose on these 2, small hose on these 2. Okay. So here's my next thing. Now here's where I said we're going to modify. Okay. So you're going to have a 90 that's on there already, okay? This thing. We're going to take this off. We're going to get a 1 inch by 1 inch barb, okay? I'll put the link for this one piece here in the thing. And then I got a hose connector here. Standard from Ace Hardware, Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever. So what we're going to do, you have 2 sides. You have this side, and you have this side. This side we're going to take off. And I got a piece of hose cutters here. Boom. Alright, so you get this piece and the spring, take it off. Okay? This 1 inch barb, we're gonna put plumber's tape on the screw side, okay? Alright, that's on there. So this 90 was here. We took the 90 off. We're gonna put the barb on there, okay? Let me get my pliers. Remember, we want to get everything tight. Okay, that's good. Okay. Alright. We're gonna get a hose clamp. We're gonna go with a hose clamp. We're gonna put it right there. We're gonna feed the hose all the way in. Now one of the last things we're gonna do, you have your cap here. See the bottom here? Don't tip the machine over, but take your cap, put it right here. I'm hearing problems about leakage for these things, so I hope we're not one of them. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to take our wire harness right here, very easily. Boom, connected. Alright. Alright, I'm going to put some water in the tank. Be right back. Got our hose. Now listen, you don't got to be fancy. You got a regular Ace Hardware hose thing. And we're going to put it right here. Okay. And the other end is going to go right here. Okay. That's on. Now. Alright, now we got our... Listen, I'm not sure if this is the right one. We got a 12 volt deep cycle battery. Ground. And positive. Okay. Alright, here we go. On off button. Okay. So. Now, I have the button here, right? Straight ahead. It's priming and it's aerating. Look. You can see inside it's swirling. It's currently mixing. Okay? I'm going to turn this off now. And then here we go. Here's your test. And look at that, guys. We're cleaning. We're cleaning with our tooth. Okay? And look how high I can get with this. But look, see? That's it. So, alright guys. This thing, well, if you're gonna downstream with a 1% mix, use your power washer, use your downstream injector. But anything else you want to clean, your driveway, stucco, something stronger, roofs guys, 6%, you can put anything in this. A higher percentage of bleach, this will clean. So, that's it. So, appreciate you watching the video. Remember, I'm Joe from the Clean Marine Power Washing Company. Stand by. Next week, we actually have a few more jobs to clean. I just retired from my job, so now I'm free. Got the whole summer to go. It is June. I got about 2 house washes next week. We're getting rolling, boys and girls. So, stand by. Appreciate you.